What's up, guys? It's me, and I'm back with a brand new video. We have my small, medium, large planes collection, and we're going to be flying them today. So, we're going to be going over, I don't know, whatever. We'll find something. Or I'm using an ice chest. And take this ice chest over to the grass. And I'm going to be testing out a paper airplanes for you. Sorry, guys. I'm having a little trouble. First mini. The worst. Second medium. Back. And large. Awesome! So that was all we're going to be doing. But also, flying them, and I'm going to fly back to you. So, comment down below which one was your favorite, and yeah, let's do it backwards now. First this one. Second one. Worst, then the last one. Worst. So that's all we're going to be doing today. See you in the next one.